that's the day that I was born. That old sharecropper's country one-room shack. They say my mama, she left me the day before. She had hit the road and she never once looked back. I bet Georgia on a fast train, honey. I was born no yesterday. I got a good Christian race and a great education. There ain't no need, y'all. Here's Trey. My grandma's old age pension is the reason I'm standing here today. I got all my country learning, just milking and a churn, picking cotton, raising hell and baling hay. Yeah, now I've been in Georgia on a fast train, honey. I was born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising and a great education. There ain't no day, no. Here's Paige. Carolina, I don't guess I'll ever find another woman put together like you are. I love your wiggle, wiggle, your big city talking, your brand new shiny T-bird ragtop car. Yeah! I've been Georgia on a fast train. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a little Christian race and a great education. There ain't no day long. Hurry up and wait in this Empire State. Seems like haste will make you wait every time. So I declare to my soul, when you see them bastards roll, better believe I'm gonna get a share of mine. Yeah! I bet Georgia on a fast train. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian race and a great education. There ain't no need y'all treat me this way. No, there ain't no need y'all treat me this way. No, 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 no need y'all treat me this way.
Dick Solberg, Jeff Walton, the Sun Mountain Fiddler. Thank you so much. We're going to take a break.
Ain't it great to be alive?
See ya. Dick Solberg, Jeff Walton, the Sun Mountain Fiddler, right here from New York. We'll see you guys in about 20 minutes.